So welcome to another episode of Rebuilding the Motor. We had a new discovery. We got it down to, I guess, what is that, episode 4? We got it all the way built up. We assembled the crankshaft. We put the pistons in the cylinders. We torqued down all the big end bolts. And then I went to look. I was hearing this weird noise, so I went to look through the side port here, and I just wanted to see if the rings were seated properly. And I just noticed that there's like a slight shimmer. I don't know if the camera's picking that up. There's like glitter, metal shavings. And we're gonna have to disassemble everything, re-clean everything, and then put everything back together again. Spent the whole day yesterday putting this together. And look at Colin's face. He's so excited. At least we know what we're doing this time when we reassemble it. It should go a little faster. But in the meantime, we're gonna work on another part. We got the lower oil seal right here, and it just has a few seals, a couple rubber seals, and this O-ring around here that needs to be replaced. We're going to clean that out as well because we had that installed on the motor to hold the crankshaft in, so it might have shavings in it too. So this is pretty simple procedure. Just pop out those seals. You just got to be careful not to scratch anything when you do it. Alright, that was simple enough. That was easier than the other seal that we did. Now you just gotta get that O-ring out of there. Is it hard? Alright, got the O-ring out. Now we're just gonna clean it up real quick. Get a lot of that residue out of there. Spray down that tube too. Spray in this tube. Alright. That's it. Wipe it out. No, that's a seal. Okay. We gotta go in this kit and get that biggest O-ring. Yep, that's a perfect match. Alright, so we gotta replace these old 3 with these new 3 here. So when you're installing all this, you wanna make sure you put a little grease on your O-rings, grease on your rubber seals. The manual calls for Yama Lube Grease A, which is just an all-purpose marine grease. It should do the job. Some grease is better than no grease. Right. That had to be the right O-ring. Seating in there right? Okay. Alright, so then the next part is you want to do the lower seal. So how does this go? The lip face down. The flat part is up. So when you're installing these seals, they have 2 sides. They have a flat side, and then they have a side with like a lip on it where the seal is, with a spring. You want to put the flat side up. You want to grease all in the channel, the little gutter that's in it.
I'll just make sure I cover up everything.
And cover everything thoroughly so it stays nice and supple and sealed. This was messed up on mine. This seal was messed up.
Really?
One of them was broken. Maybe it was this one. Yeah, look. See, the seal is all gone on this part. If you look at it versus the new one, see how they have that lip in there? On mine, I think we might have messed it up when we took the lower unit off the first time. Wait, come back over here.
So did we have a leak?
Yeah, I might. Yeah, remember how that oil was running down? Broken part that had came out of it. So yeah, it's and stuff. You just press them in. You can use a socket. So use a socket to push it and apply even pressure. You snap in? No, that's too small.
No, that's not.
It's in there. It's flush. See? It's not in on this side. Is it? Because it was flat. Alright, then you want to do your next one. Same way. Grease it up to make it slide in easy. Press that one in evenly.
That top's hard.
pocket on.
Are those seals standard?
Sit down in there. That's it. That's your little oil seal put together. The next step, we're gonna be doing some disassembly. So I thought I had spared you guys from all of that, but look at that. You're gonna get the bonus. Yes, I know I'm dumb. I forgot to clean the thing before I started putting it back together after I filed the ports. So now I take all this back apart, and re-clean it and reassemble it. So stay tuned. Here's the part that was messed up. Let's pop these pistons out. Let's look at these guys. Very fine particles. Alright, let's see. Clean piece of paper. We got the block. Okay, we're back. Ready for round two. We'll try this again. I got the block cleaned up. Got it oiled. I got the pistons put back together. So I realized after doing the last episode where we put this thing together that I had missed torquing down the end cap bolts on the piston rods. This is a little torquing down the end cap bolts to go on to the end of the last episode that we put out. Here on the torque wrench, it's got the torque settings set, and it says the first step is 12 Newton meters, 1.2 meters, 8.7 foot-pounds for the first torque setting on the rod cap. So how do I work this thing? 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Alright. So now I got that. Let's torque these down. Oh, that's not the right way. Alright. Now you want to just check your seating again, make sure nothing shifted. Everything is good. Everything is good. To the second specified torque, which is 25 foot-pounds. So we're going to go to 25. Guess that's 25 right there. So I think you want to loosen it, they were saying. We'll go to 25 foot-pounds, which is your final torque. So let's get it up to 25. That's 25 on that one. Alright, so now we want to just check those surfaces one more time. This feels really smooth. This feels perfect. Let's track the next one. Yeah, yet again, very smooth. It's perfect. Finally, the first one. Perfect. Alright. So, now we're past where we were already. So I think this is going to end this episode. No, let's see what's next. Next step is to do the oil seal housing, which we already did. So I think that's going to be the end of this episode. We got the crankshaft back in. We got the pistons back in and torqued down. The rings all put in. Everything is nice and clean. There's no metal hanging around anywhere anymore. So thanks for watching this episode. Next episode, we're going to be putting the crank cover on, torquing down the crank cover, and putting on a few other little, bolting on a few more pieces. So we're starting to get to the home stretch now where everything is just plug and play, bolted on, torque it down to the proper spec, and it's good to go. So far, it's been pretty fun. I'm enjoying it, except for the part where I had to take everything apart and put it back together. But other than that, this has been a cool experience. Hopefully, it's going to be even cooler when we get out to go fishing. So thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe. If it's your first time watching this series, you can go back to the playlist I'm going to put right here in the end. Go back to that playlist. Check out episodes 1 through 5 that we're on right now. I kind of lost count, but go check out the first beginning episodes, see where we started in this journey. Thanks for watching. I'll see you guys out there on the water very soon.